So check this out. I'm actually going through some emails here from real estate agents that can't believe the number of listings they're getting from a free marketing approach. I want to show you this here, and actually I'm going to give it to you on this video. By the way, how rude of me. I'm Greg Luther, if you're not familiar with me. Coach about 30,000 realtors around the country, and every single day I'm getting emails like this. I'm looking at my computer. I'm not looking away from you, but I'm getting emails like this. Check this out, and I'm going to give you this, by the way. You can just have this. I'll give it to you in this video. I got 3 appointments with attorneys this week, and it was my first week using the sales letter. One attorney says he already has 2 clients right now that need to sell their home. Let me tell you what this is about. So we've got a 2-page letter that we mail and even email out to attorneys. And we're talking about attorneys that find clients that need to sell their home. So divorce attorney, probate attorney, IRS attorney, small business attorney, even immigration attorneys, family law. A lot of these folks are meeting buyers and sellers, or I should say in this case, homeowners that need to sell their home. As a matter of fact, as a decree of the divorce, the court will require that they sell that home. As a decree of the probate, they will require that they sell that home. So anyway, we've got a 2-page letter that I've got tons of agents all over the country using this, and they're getting great results. Here, let me get back to this other email here. Here's one I just got today. I've never worked with attorneys before, but this thing is still going strong for me. I listed 3 houses last month and helped one of those clients with buying their next home. I have 2 more attorney appointments this week. This continues to happen. Let me give you this freaking letter so you can start using it yourself. How much does it cost you to send an email? It's free. You don't have any marketing costs. You don't need to spend money to make money. A third one I got here. Let me get back to this. This came in last night. Greg, I just worked my first attorney referral, and it's nearly double the price range I usually work. I'm nervous and excited at the same time. I'm excited to get my listings going. This happens over and over and over. What we've got essentially is a letter that goes out to attorneys that explains to them how the co-op referral program works. Of course, they're meeting an awful lot of people going through some kind of financial hardship or family house change, whatever the case is, and they're going to need to sell their home. There's nothing better than getting a referral, right? So the attorney says, hey, as a decree of your divorce, you will be required to sell the asset. The court's going to require that. Here is a business card for X realtor. This is who I recommend. They work with most of my clients. They'll do a great job for you. You want to be that realtor. It's surprising to me, a lot of real estate agents say, oh, well, most attorneys already have a realtor, or their spouse is probably a realtor. Like they heard one story 10 years ago, so they're missing out on all this business. Meanwhile, we got agents taking listings and buyers left and right. Let me give you this letter. It's working extremely well. I've found, many of you know, I've got a coaching program that we use, that we have, and a lot of agents are using it. I'm not trying to sell you into that program. We have tons and tons of members. But what I've found is the best way to show you I can help you is to actually help you. Like, give you some shit that'll get you some deals, and obviously that gets you headed in the right direction and making some good money. So what I decided to do, I'm actually going to give you this attorney letter and show you what to do to start making money from it. So all I'm going to ask is that you do 3 things. You do these 3 things, all 3 are free. And I'm just going to email you the letter for you to start using it. You can customize it to your own name and area and brokerage and that type of thing, and just start using it. So here's what I want you to do. Definitely like this video. So do that right now. Like the video. And I'm going to show you the 3 things that I want you to do. So number 1, we have a training where we talk about how to use the attorney letter as well as 3 other approaches. I call it the 4 best approaches to getting immediate clients. You can register for that webinar at closingseverymonth.com. So I want you to register for that webinar. That's the first thing I want you to do. It's totally free, but it's going to show you not only the attorney approach, but 3 others that will help you tremendously. The next thing I want you to do is follow this page and turn on your notifications. It'll say something like, when you click following, it'll say something like, see this first, or something like that. That way you get good information this way, and we can actually grow your real estate business. And the third thing is just share this video. If down in the comments, if you tag 2 realtors and give me your email address, I'm just going to personally email you that 2-page letter, and you can start using it. You can start getting yourself some listings. Obviously, you know, if you've got some listings in the marketplace, you're going to pick up some buyers from that. So I'll help you along the way. That's helping me to build my business and you to build your business, and it costs you $0. You will get yourself results from this. So again, in the comments, just tag 2 realtors that you know. I think you'll agree this video will help them out. So it's going to be helpful for them. They will thank you. You will get a Christmas card from them because they're going to be getting closings. And then just give me your email address that I can send it to. Do those 3 things. Let me give them to you again. Register at closingseverymonth.com so you can get on Wednesday's training. Follow the page here. Make sure you've liked the video. Follow the page and turn on your notifications. And then just tag 2 realtors and give me an email address to send it to. I will send it to you. I'll get it out as quickly as I can. I usually try and get them in, within a day. So you can start utilizing it. Start picking up some buyers and sellers for yourself, particularly sellers in this case, because it's going to be listing referrals. There's nothing better than their attorney recommending that they use you. It means you'll be the only agent out. You'll get your 6 or even 7% commission, whatever it is that you charge. You won't have any commission structure problems, or they're interviewing other realtors or any of that type of stuff. I'll show you the best type of people to go with and exactly what to do to start making some more money for yourself. So hopefully that's going to help you out. I want to get a testimonial from you. I'm looking at the emails here. I want to get an email from you saying, holy crap, I can't believe I'm actually getting attorneys referring business to me. This thing's working. So you can send it out as a letter, but I found a lot of times they have like a mail lady or a mail department that opens up all the mail and puts the checks in the accounts and all that. They don't open their own mail. Attorneys do open their own email. So we do really well by emailing them directly. You can find, by the way, I'll give you a little resource. If you go to avvo.com, AVVO, avvo.com, AVVO. If you go there, you can put in your city, put in what type of attorney you're looking for, and it's going to give you dozens and dozens of them with their contact info. You can actually email them right there on the site. How freaking helpful is that? Right? So anyway, hopefully that's helpful for you. I want to get you closing some deals. As you know, I'm always giving as much information as I can here. So hopefully you find it helpful and you actually use it for profit. This is not about you learning more. It's about you doing more. So again, make sure you follow the page here and turn on notifications. I think there's a little bell or something you can click there and it says see this first. That's going to help you with all of the information we're giving out. By the way, over the next 60 days, I'm giving you tons of stuff to just flood you with tons of closings because I know ultimately what happens, right? So you and I are going to work together for many years to come. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Again, get registered, closingseverymonth.com. Follow those 3 things that I asked you to do, and we're going to get you closing some more deals. I'm Greg Luther. You can find out some info on me at gregluthercoaching.com. Go out there and sell some houses. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.